Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use Color Wow's Dream Coat Spray. Here it is. This is like my holy grail when it comes to blow drying my hair. Dream Coat Spray is a super lightweight spray that leaves a super smooth glass-like texture to the hair. It's kind of almost like a mini keratin treatment, so it's beloved by all hairstylists. Rave reviews on this product. I've been using this for a few years now and I absolutely love it, and it can last up to 3 shampoos, which is awesome. So even after I work out, my hair still looks fabulous. I can touch up with a curling iron or straightener and it stays smooth as ever. So you do want to use on damp hair. So you'll see in the little video I'm about to show you guys that it's on towel dry hair, and I'd like to drench my hair in the product and then blow dry it straight. And this is just that product. I didn't put any other product. I didn't straighten it. I didn't style it. I just used a blow dry brush and this spray. So this is like holy grail. Love this product. It is a must if you live in humid areas. It controls frizz and humidity, so great for the Texas heat. And I also loved this when I lived in Florida, so it was a must. Definitely say try it. Doesn't weigh your hair down. It doesn't feel producty at all. It is holy grail. So hope you guys enjoyed the little tutorial. Let me know what you think and if you've ever tried Color Wow's Dream Coat Spray. Hey guys, so I will be starting off with the Color Wow Dream Coat Spray, and you want to have damp hair. So my hair is pretty towel dried. It's probably, I would say, about 60 to 70% dry. So I'm just going to take the Dream Coat and I'm going to want to deliberately spray all over the hair from ends to kind of like right here. I like to get it on top too because my hair is a little bit coarse. So I'm just going to start spraying. I really like to make sure I coat my front pieces to really protect them. This also has a built-in heat protective. So now that my hair is pretty coated with the Dream Coat Spray, I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry. So I just finished blow drying my hair and I am absolutely loving it. As you can tell, my hair has a lot of shine, a lot of movement and volume, and the frizz is gone and it's very smooth and tame. So also it helped cut my blow dry time like literally in half. Like to blow dry my entire head, I think it took me about 8 minutes, which is fantastic. So love that. As a mom, like I really don't have that much time to be spending on my hair as I do a lot with my makeup already. So super quick and easy, and I love the finished results. And after this, you can always style, and my hair literally lasts for days.